Hello everyone, welcome to Pabbly Connect. Today in this video, we are going to integrate two software applications, Chargebee and MailChimp. So the use case here is, whenever a new subscription is created in Chargebee, we want that to be added as subscribers in MailChimp. First, let us know what these two software applications are all about. So Chargebee is a subscription management system, whereas MailChimp is an email marketing software. Although Chargebee and MailChimp have native integration between them, but this integration has certain limitations, and that is why we are going to use Pabbly Connect, a third-party application software, to integrate both these software applications. The best part here is you don't require any knowledge of coding. So let me show you this on my screen. Okay, so here I am at Google, and now I'm going to go to this URL section over here, and I'm going to type pabbly.com. So this is the website of Pabbly, and from here I'm going to go to Connect and I'm going to select it. Okay, so I'll sign in now. Now because I've already signed in, that is why I am here. You can also sign up for free in just 2 minutes. Here I'd like to mention one more thing. Pabbly Connect offers a free plan where this integration can be tried out absolutely free. So if you want, you can create your account now and set up your own automation. The link is available in the description box below the video. Okay, so now I'm going to go down, and here at Connect, I'm going to select Access Now. Okay, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and now we are going to create a new workflow. So let us name this workflow as Chargebee to MailChimp. Okay. So let us create it. So we have created this, and you can see this dialog box over here. This is the trigger dialog box when this happens. So now we have to choose an app here, and you can add the action steps by clicking on this plus button over here. So now first we have to integrate Chargebee with MailChimp. So we are going to use Pabbly Connect to help us integrate Chargebee and MailChimp. So first we'll integrate Chargebee with Pabbly Connect, and then we'll integrate Pabbly Connect with MailChimp. So first app that I'm going to choose is Chargebee, this one. Okay, so in choose method, I am going to choose new subscription because my topic is as soon as there is a new subscription in Chargebee, I want to add subscribers in MailChimp. So I am going to choose new subscription. You can choose whichever you want, the other option as well. And if you don't get the method of your choice, you can contact our team at admin@pabbly.com. So now I'll select Connect with Chargebee. So now you don't have to worry about the credentials. Let's come to API. So let us read what the instruction says. Enter your API key and leave password field blank. To get the API key, log into your Chargebee account. Go to API keys and webhooks. So in API key, let us go to Chargebee and get our API key. So I'll go to settings, configure Chargebee, and let us scroll down. Here you can see API keys and webhooks. So I'll go there. Let's create an API key. So let us create a full access key, and I'll name it as Chargebee to MailChimp. Okay, create key. So I'll copy this from here and I'll go to Pabbly Connect and I'm going to paste it. Password, you don't have to worry. Site name, I'll go to Chargebee and I'm going to select this Pabbly Connect -test. Control C, and I'm going to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste it over here. So I'm going to save this now. So now I'll save and send test request. Okay, so I'm not getting any response for now because I don't have any subscription in my Chargebee. So I'll go to Chargebee and let us create a new subscription. Okay, Sam Ronald, email is ronaldsam@gmail.com. Okay, plan name, I'll select Grow and let us create the subscription. Okay, so we have created a subscription of Sam Ronald. Let's go to Pabbly Connect and save and send test request. So now you can see it has got the information. You can see Sam Ronald. Okay, so now I'll save this. Okay, so now we have finished our first step, that is we have integrated ChargeBee with Pabbly Connect, and now we'll begin with our second step where we are going to integrate MailChimp with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to select MailChimp over here, and in choose method I want to add new member. Okay, connect with MailChimp. So here don't worry about the credentials, API key. So API key, I'll go to MailChimp. Here I'll go to account. Okay, so I'll go to extras and API keys. Okay, I'll go. So here you can see the API key. If you want, you can also create a new key. So I'll just copy this one and I'll go to Pabbly Connect and I'll paste it. Okay, so in data center, you have to read the instructions. Enter the data center example US 19. So I'll go to my MailChimp and here it is US 2. So I'll just copy this and I'm going to paste it over here. So save. So now you have to fill all these fields over here. So audience list, let it be Pabbly. Now first name, let us map the data. Email ID, okay. Status, subscriber, tags you don't require. So now save and send test request. Okay, we have got the API response. That means we have integrated MailChimp and Pabbly Connect. Let's go to MailChimp and see if a subscriber called Sam Ronald is created there or not. So I'll go here and in audience, let us see. Okay, so we have Sam Ronald over here. That means our integration has turned out to be a successful one. So now let me show you this again with one more example so that you can understand how this process takes place in real time. So I'll go to subscriptions, ChargeBee, and let us create a new subscription. So let us create a new subscription. So I'm going to enter the name here, George Lobo. Email is george@gmail.com. Okay, plan name you can take whichever you want. I'll take Hustle and I'm going to create the subscription. Confirm. Okay, so we have created the subscription of George Lobo. Let us go and see if a subscriber George Lobo is created in MailChimp or not. So I'll just refresh this. Okay, so you can see we have got George Lobo over here with his email and you can see the status is subscribe. So here what would have happened? First the information would have come from ChargeBee to Pabbly Connect and then the information would have come from Pabbly Connect to MailChimp. So now every time a new subscription is created in ChargeBee, it will add the subscriber in MailChimp as well.
Not just these two software applications, but you can integrate any software application using our Pabbly Connect. If you have any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Our team will help you to automate your workflows. You can also visit our website at www.pabbly.com. Thank you.